The professor is dead, and he was the only one who knew the formula.
And the tiny whiskers of a codfish.
Can I have ketchup on mine?
Are you feeling all right?
Oh man, this is great. We can make the antidote ourselves. All the ingredients are underwater.
Oh, really? First, we need to find all the ingredients, then backtrack about 50 miles. We're 8 inches long, have only half a day left, and it's impossible.
You're forgetting something. The Force is with us. Ready? Steady? Gather? Go!
We're on the run. All of this needs to be done before the sun sets. My friends, I trust in what's next.